Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the app and ensuring the Windows host is reachable. Install Microsoft Remote Desktop from the Mac App Store and keep it open. On the Windows machine, enable Remote Desktop and copy the PC name or IP address. This is how you'll identify the target. Also confirm network access, same LAN or a properly forwarded router port 3389, and that firewall rules permit remote connections. Once done, gather your Windows username, password, and any gateway info before moving on. You'll now add the Windows PC in the app. Click the plus button and choose Add PC, then paste the PC name or IP address you copied. Next, set user account. Either save credentials or select Ask when required for security. If your network uses an RD gateway, enter that information here. Then customize display, resolution, and sound, and enable folder or clipboard redirection if you need file transfer. Make those choices deliberately, then save the connection so it's ready to launch. You're ready to connect. Double-click your saved PC entry, accept any certificate prompt, and provide credentials when asked. Once connected, switch to full screen for better usability or stay in a window. Use CMD plus Control plus Enter to toggle. When you finish, sign out from Windows or close the session to disconnect cleanly. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify the Windows machine actually has remote desktop enabled and reachable. Check firewall rules, confirm the IP, and ping the PC or test with another device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.